Have you ever wondered how we are able to see clearly despite the continuous darting of our eyes? Our vision, a marvel of biological engineering, surpasses even advanced camera technology. The key to this mystery is the rapid eye movements known as saccades. These are guided by our attention, directing our eyes towards points of interest in our environment. Fascinatingly, brain suppresses the signals reaching our retina during saccades. This is why our vision remains unblurred during rapid eye movements. This stunning process functions like a live film editor, swiftly assembling frames to give us a seamless, clear visual experience. So, next time your gaze flits around, appreciate this marvel that is your vision. Saccades are a fascinating aspect of our visual perception, characterized by rapid eye movements that are almost incessant. Think of a hummingbird fluttering from flower to flower, an apt representation of how our eyes function, steadily shifting, never truly static. These quick, concurrent maneuvers by our eyes might make you wonder why our vision isn't blurry or unsteady, like a handheld video recording gone awry. Here, saccadic suppression enters the picture, a key process controlled by our brain. During a saccade, our brain momentarily halts signals to the retina, putting incoming visual data on pause. This prevents a blurry vision every time our eyes move. The fact that our brain can delay these visual signals is a testament to its incredible mastery over our visual perception. So, just like a camera's stabilizer ensures smooth footage, our brain ensures a steady view owing to this intricate interplay of perception and attention. It happens within a blink, enabling us to have an uninterrupted and clear view of the world around, despite our eyes' constant motion. But what makes our vision so steady, even when our eyes are constantly moving? This intriguing query finds its answer in the concept of remapping. This phenomenon takes place within our brain, orchestrating the smooth, continuous vision we value daily. The brain is not just a passive recipient of visual data from the eyes. Instead, it readies itself for the upcoming image even before our eyes have swiveled to it. This might seem like a storyline from a futuristic novel, but it's a reality happening in your brain at this very second. So, what's the science behind it? Let's take a closer look. Yourself shifting your gaze from one point to another. Your brain doesn't wait for your eyes to move and then adjust to the new image. Instead, it already prepares for this shift in advance. It starts updating the current image with the one you're about to focus on. This process is similar to buffering a video before pressing play, promising that the next scene is prepped and set, facilitating a smooth transition instead of a sudden jump from one frame to the next. Despite our eyes making quick movements known as saccades, our perception remains peaceful. The end result of this intricate process is a constant view of our environment. It's a marvel of nature, highlighting the remarkable complexity and precision of human vision. Ever observed the intriguing fusion of similar elements during swift eye movements? This phenomenon is a result of the intricate delay process that happens in our brain during these rapid eye movements, also known as saccades. During a saccade, our brain is already processing the next image even before our eyes have rerouted. This delay gives birth to an unusual period where similar elements may blend together in our perception. Picture it as a beautifully choreographed dance, where the image doesn't come into sight until the dance move culminates, reflecting the dramatic pause in the dance where the spectators are left in anticipation. This blending mechanism during saccades is our brain's ingenious solution to ensure smooth vision and prevent a fragmented view of the world. Essentially, our brain acts like a proficient film director, merging the raw footage of our vision into a steady perspective of the world. So the next time you're soaking in the beauty of a sunset, or engrossed in your favorite book, take a moment to acknowledge the remarkable work your brain is doing behind the scenes. In blending together a coherent view of the world, ours certainly plays a commendable role, doesn't it? Now, let's examine the influence of unanticipated eye movements on our sight. Imagine this scenario. You're gently applying pressure on the edge of your eye with your fingertip. With a soft nudge, the universe as you know it seems to stagger. This occurrence arises not from any failure of the brain, but its diligent effort to maintain a stable view of the world. When we move our head or eyes under the brain's instruction, our vision remains stable. The brain sends the muscles, allowing for the adjustment and correction of our sight. But what happens when we physically jump? The brain isn't prepared for this sudden movement and can't correct our vision like it usually does. Consequently, our field of vision becomes unstable, much like the erratic movements of an unsteady handheld camera. This provides insight into the tireless function of our brain, a steady perception of the world, and what happens when that process is disrupted. Today we've delved into the marvels of our vision. The intricate dance between our eyes and brain is responsible for creating a stable image. A significant role is played by saccades, rapid, jerky eye movements, which ensure our vision remains steady and clear. The brain's anticipation and the fascinating process of image fusion also contribute to maintaining continuity in our perception. Together, these factors illuminate the remarkable capabilities of the human body. This summarized information serves as an introduction to the wonders of vision. And remember, curiosity is the key to knowledge. Did this video pique your curiosity? If you found it informative and wish to dive deeper into the fascinating world of science, technology, health, and global happenings, we encourage you to take action. Please click that like button to show your support and help us reach more curious minds like yours. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell too. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release our daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and curiosity fuels this power. So stay curious, stay informed, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.